This is a pressfit bottom bracket, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install this on your bike for long-lasting creak-free performance. I'll be pressing this into my new Argon 18 Sum frame, which uses the BB86 standard. The process starts by using isopropyl alcohol to wipe the pressfit cups, specifically around the edges, which are the parts that will contact the frame. Also use the isopropyl alcohol to wipe the bottom bracket shell of the frame. The alcohol will remove any grease, oil, or dirt that is present on these surfaces and prevent contamination from interfering with the fit. The next step involves the application of retaining compound onto the bottom bracket shell. Retaining compound will fill any gaps between the frame and cups and will also prevent any movement between the two. This is what will ensure there's no creaking in your pressfit system. I'm applying Loctite 609 to the frame, which is a medium strength retaining compound. I'm applying the compound to the frame itself, but it can also be applied to the cups if you prefer. Next, get your bottom bracket and ensure it's oriented in the correct way, and gently place the cups into the frame. I'm going to place both cups into the frame at the same time, but you can also do one cup at a time if you prefer. We can now press the cups into the frame using a bearing press. Select the correct drifts for your bottom bracket and slot the tool through the frame. Center the drifts of the cup and begin to tighten the handles. Keep your eyes on both cups as you press to ensure that they're being pressed in straight. It is possible for the cups to get pressed in sideways, so work slowly and ensure good alignment before continuing to press. As you tighten, you may also hear knocking or creaking sounds as the cup gets pressed further into the frame. This is actually a good thing because it means that the fit between the cup and the frame is tight, so don't be concerned with this noise. Keep pressing until the cups are fully into the frame and then give one final small turn to fully secure them. Finally, remove the tool and give the retaining compound 24 hours to dry before riding. And with that, this job is done. Install your crank and enjoy a creak-free bottom bracket on your next ride.